The final piece to make sure you're ready for the warmer weather is to check your emergency kit. There's a lot of construction. If you need a tire inflation product, you know how to use jumper cables, at least get the minimum of 55-piece emergency kit. If you can't find one, I sell them on my website. They're discounted, and of course, get my little logo on it. Go to carcoachreports.com. You'll find it in the shop. Another thing I always say you must add to your emergency kit is a universal power charger for your cell phone. If you get stuck on the side of the road, you have a dead battery, if you're not going to know what to do, check out the myCharge. This is my favorite one. It's got both Android and Apple connections. Real easy to charge. Just plug it right in the wall. I actually have two of them. I keep one in every single car. And the key is that if you're stuck on the side of the road, you'll never be without power. And that is priceless when it comes to your cell phone. Another thing that I highly recommend is the bag fix. We sold out on QVC with these. They hang through the headrest posts. You can hang over 50 pounds with them. They're made of stainless steel and made here in the USA. Another thing that you can use it for is when you bring home eggs or wine bottles or berries and you're afraid they're all going to get smashed in those plastic bags they give them to you, or even if you bring your own bags, you can hang it on the bag fix and they'll make it home safely. Remember, from Memorial Day to Labor Day are the deadliest times to be on the road. There's a lot of new drivers, there's a lot of construction, there's a lot of people not paying attention because it is beautiful outside. If you've got a new driver, maybe you forgot some of the things you learned, make sure to check out Lauren Fix's Guide to Loving Your Car. Remember, new drivers are only taught to pass the test. This will give you all the rest of the answers, and it'll make you feel more confident when they head back to school in the fall.